Madrid Barajas airport. So today I'm flying, after a long time I'm flying to my country, to Czech Republic. But actually I am flying to Vienna because I'm going to Brno, that's closer. And today I will be flying with Lauda, which is subsidiary of Ryanair. But in my opinion is much better. The aircraft is definitely more comfortable. So let's go and I'll check you how it is. As you can see, I took a metro. That is really good with Madrid airport. You can come here with the metro. There are two stations. It's the terminal, the T1, T2, T4, and then the T1, T2, T3, and then there is the terminal 4, which is a different one. You have to pay a little bit extra, like €3 when you exit, but it's definitely cheaper than the cab. So that's good. So right now I'm flying from Terminal 1. Okay, so I cleared the security. If you're flying from the C gates, it's really close. If you like A, B or other gates, it's a little bit more far. But anyway, so I cleared the security and now I have lots of time to kill because seriously, security took like 4 or 5 minutes. There was no line at all. It's really good at Madrid airport. There are no big lines here, so you really don't need to fly ahead like 3 hours or something. You don't. Like, came here like 1.5 hours, max 2 hours, not more. For sure, you don't need more time. Even flying to US because of the quick clearance, but otherwise that's it. So now let's check the airport and find some place. It's a nice model of the Terminal 1 and 2. Totally different interior compared to the normal Ryanair.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ryanair flight operated by Lauda Europe going to Vienna. Store all your backpacks, duty-free bags and jackets under the seat in front of you, leaving space in the overhead compartment only for big trolleys. Thank you for cooperation
as you can
and
see.
welcome on board.
Okay, the A320, the leg room. It's kind of okay for the short flight. I am only 172, so but it's agreeable. You can see normal tray table, nothing special, but it does have a seat pocket which comes really in handy, unlike the normal Ryanair. And as you can see, the seat reclines a little bit. So that's definitely a big difference from the normal Ryanair. So if you fly Ryanair and it's operated by Lauda Europe, it's much better in my opinion. The rest is kind of the same, the same magazine, same thing, but as far as I know, less bumpy landings, so you don't get the full Ryanair experience there either. So that's good. That's good. Okay, so there is no Ryanair in-flight magazine right now, but they can give it to you, but you can also check it in the app. So
sorry, small bag please under the
let
seat.
me check.
Only trolleys up.
Can you get some snacks, drinks, some drinks here, hot drinks, cold drinks, fresh and hot meal, croissants, hot, guess vegan as well, and you can buy more stuff. So anyway, but they would give you the they will always give you the magazine as well. There it's kind of like in Ryanair, it really sucks because you have nothing to put it. Here at least you had to have a seat pocket, so you don't have to hold it or have it on the ground the entire time. But that's always during the flight. They always hand it. There is no one like waiting on you at your seat, so that's a really big difference. I guess people are stealing it, I don't know, but you can use it in your app, so that's also pretty cool.
and gentlemen, you are all very welcome to Vienna. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain switch off the fasten seatbelt sign for you. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as objects of your carry-on luggage may fall out causing injuries. Laptop, computers and larger...
Okay, so this is the end of my flight. Welcome in rainy, cold Vienna. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see my other report, and of course check my previous report, and I'll see you in future.